Hey there, meet the Truwelby Visual Electric-Powered Toothbrush for adults, featuring an HD camera that connects to your devices for real-time visuals of your teeth. This innovative toothbrush lets you capture photos and videos for thorough oral hygiene monitoring, while also serving as a handy tool to inspect teeth, nostrils, and ear holes from multiple angles. It offers 5 versatile cleaning modes, including clean, soft, strong, white, and polish to suit your unique dental care needs. With an IPX7 waterproof rating and sonic vibrations up to 42,000 times per minute, it ensures a deep, effective clean every time. Enjoy a long-lasting 45-day battery life with convenient Type-C charging, perfect for travel and everyday use. The built-in 2-minute smart timer helps you brush for the dentist-recommended duration, pausing every 30 seconds for even cleaning. Upgrade your oral care routine with this powerful, tech-savvy toothbrush designed for a radiant smile. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.